This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone. Okay, let's start. Myself, I'm Vishwanath Tarak. I'm having almost 8 years of experience in IT industry. So, especially on backup technologies like Dell EMC Netwoker and Commvault. As you can see, so many of the people are going for top-most courses like DevOps, Azure, SAP, and also like cybersecurity. Okay, I see that most of the demo classes I have attended. Okay, so that I want to see how it is. So in each demo class, almost 80 people, 60 people are joining. Okay, because of that is top course, and we are forgetting one thing. Already there are many of the people have already done it, and also without I'm not sure everyone get the jobs or not. Okay, so that still I'm in their groups. I'm one of the member in their groups. Okay, I see that only 2 or 3 people are getting jobs out of 90, out of 70. What about the others? Okay, for every year there are thousands of students are passed out. If I ask them the question like what you want to do, they say that AWS, GCP, Java, C++, and sorry, some other topmost courses. Okay, they are forgetting one thing. Already there are many people in the market. Okay, then that is the main reason there still the people are without having any jobs. Okay, this is my fourth batch, so almost already there are like 25 plus people I have placed in IT industry. Okay, and now they are very happy because they're doing their dream job. Okay, without any delay we can start the demo session. Okay, the first question you have like why I need to go for networker and Commvault, why not others? Okay, let's see here. DevOps engineer job. Okay, for this job, almost 2 days ago, the job applicants are 1084, 1048 members are applied. Okay, when it comes to the senior DevOps engineer, for example, like 3 to 6 years of experience, so that is Azure DevOps. See, posted 4 days ago, the number of applicants are 1888. This is so much competition outside for these courses. Then why you need to choose? Yes, you can choose it if you want to a IT job. If you go for this, so before you already there are 1287 members are there before you. The major thing is like it's very difficult to pick your resume. First of all, they need to pick your resume, right? Okay, okay. Let's go to the automation tester. See, testing is also a good course and simple course. So everyone who completes their BTech, they'll go for testing. See, for one job, almost 3,452 applicants. See, what is the opening is for one opening. See how it is. So will you able to crack any get a job in this huge competition? Okay, leave it. Next, cybersecurity analyst. See, in COVID, most of the people are went for this course and they got jobs, and already few of the members laid off because of the high in demand, and also the people are very the employment is very high in cyber security. I mean to say employees. Okay, for 5 openings, there are almost 4,000 applicants. I don't think so. The people resume will get picked up. Okay, this is the competition outside. So I'm not saying that networker also having many openings and topmost MNC companies like TCS, Accenture, Infosys, Microland, Vodafone, and also a lot more companies are hiring on networker. Still, the people are doing jobs in last 8 years, 6 years. Okay, yes. Let's see for networker now. See, EMC networker that is job in DXC technology. For one vacancy, Okay, 3 to 6 years of experience, 29 applicants. It's easy to pick your application. See, if you're ready, if you're ready with your basic knowledge of networker and also some hands of experience on networker, definitely you crack this job for sure. I don't think so that or the 20 people will be what if they perform not well. Okay, the people who join in my course already within 1 month they have placed in networker jobs. Everyone. Okay, sorry. And the next times job, for one job, okay, almost 13 applicants are there. I'm sorry, yeah. Okay, and then Accenture, you can see the skills: our data domain, EMC networker, okay, ITIL process, okay, and we teach data domain, EMC networker, and also a few basics of Commvault. Okay, our we don't teach our. Okay, the people, one second.
This conference will now be recorded.
Yes. Okay, and the next there is a job on Commvault. See, in Commvault nowadays there are many openings on Commvault as well. That's what we started in last batch and also this batch as well. We give you a brief and a basic knowledge on Commvault. So already the guys got a job on Commvault as well with our knowledge. Okay, so this is the market right now. So for posted 29 days ago, it is 26 applicants. Okay, for Accenture company. Let's go for next slide. Yes. So as we know that these are the courses are well known in current market. Okay. DevOps engineering and cybersecurity, full stack developer, and many are there like SAP and Oracle Cloud and a lot more. Okay. So for example, in DevOps demo, almost 120 people are there because of DevOps. This is the topmost course, and I can see that only 3 to 4 people got job till now in the group. Okay, so okay, fine. If you're very good at studies, if you want to start your career with DevOps, then fine. But see the ratio how it is. For 120 people, like 3 people are getting job. Okay, let's see if you go for DevOps engineering, if you see that we need to see like 13 tools need to be prepared, like Ansible, Terraform, Docker, and also Jenkins, Maven. Okay, and GitHub, Git Actions also is there. Okay, these are the tools to be prepared for DevOps. Okay, do we need get are we getting job after doing this course? I say no, because we need a real-time hands-on experience on DevOps as well. The people will say that we'll give you the uh, real-time scenarios as well, but it doesn't help because of people only getting 3 to 4 jobs. In my course, the people who join, almost 25 people we have placed, everyone. Okay, and the next, cybersecurity. These are the tools which are covered in cybersecurity. You have seen earlier that for 5 jobs, almost 4,000 applicants are there. Okay, and we can go for a full stack developer roadmap. Let's see this how it is. Okay, yeah, this is the roadmap. Okay, if you want to pursue, if you want to study full stack development course, these are the things you should keep in mind. Like networks, you should have networks knowledge, http http and DNS, hosting, browsing, JS advanced, and javascript basics, HTML basics, CSS. Okay, and CSS frameworks, React basics, platform, VCS hosting, VCS in the sense version control systems. Okay, and also back and forward frameworks, Node.js. A lot more are there to you need to start with full stack. Okay, and already one of the guy who taken full stack course 2 years back, till now he's not able to crack the job, and now he's pinging me, please let me know, is there any full stack development courses. I asked him to join my course, but he said that ping me if you have any full stack. I don't know when he'll get the job. Okay, we don't want to lose hope, but we lose time. Fine, let me go back to the, yes, PPT. And next slide. Yes. So if you want to start an IT job, or you want to enter into IT industry, you should keep below points in mind. Okay, don't choose high demand course, because already chosen lakhs of people choosing those courses because of high in demand, and people on that maybe the jobs get like they get only three or four jobs. The remaining like 1,000 people will not get jobs. Still, the people are there without jobs after their graduation. Okay, choose non-coding related jobs. Okay, most of the people will not like to join coding jobs. Not, and also me, I am also there. I don't want to be in a coding job, but still, DevOps is not a coding job. There is no any coding included, but still, we need to prepare many tools. Okay, and should communicate in English. Like communication skills, that should be mandatory. Okay, for everyone. Okay, and end-to-end guidance must and should. Yes, that's true. See, if you want if you got a job in some other like DevOps or some like Oracle Cloud or SAP, so one should be there to help you, to support if you are stuck in some issue. Okay, so one should help you for sure, and also need support for at least 3 months. Okay, so in the COVID, most of the people joined as a cyber security analyst, and most of the people don't have the support. That's what they fired off the people, or they have some layoffs. Okay, on that time, and also is same situation currently. Okay, we'll see. Next slide. Okay, these are the backup tools in market. Okay, so we can see that Dell EMC Netwoker, Dell EMC OMR, Veritas Net Backup, Commvault, VM, AWS Backup, Azure Backup, Rubrix, TCS Backup, TSM Backup, and Cohesity. So Cohesity and Rubrix also a bit new since 2015. They are came into the market. Okay, when it comes to the EMC Netwoker, this is since 1988. Okay, we'll see in the next slide. Okay, so currently many jobs for Dell EMC Networker and Net Backup, and also Commvault. Okay, we'll teach only Commvault and EMC Networker. Okay, we'll see next slide. Actually, this EMC Networker belongs to Dell. Okay, we'll see next slide. Okay, see for example, the job profiles in backup. Okay, so what we teach here in the basic knowledge of backup knowledge. Okay, that will be applicable for all the tools of backup tools like Commvault. So if you learn EMC Networker basic knowledge, so it is easy to learn Commvault and also Cohesity as well, because the backend process is same. Okay, the knowledge is whatever the process is same. So if you know one tool, you're able to easily learn other tool. That's what we start with Dell EMC Networker, and then we go with Commvault. Okay, okay, here is the history of networker. Actually, the Legato developed networker. Okay, in 1988. Okay, so with the like the people who invented, like sorry, developed is John Capex, Bob Leon, and Joe Moran. Okay, and Russell Sandberg. These are the people who developed EMC networker. Also, the EMC is acquired this Legato 2003, and then later EMC was acquired by the Dell in 2015, and it came to know as a Dell EMC networking, sorry, networker. Okay, in 2015, Dell purchases this EMC networker, the tool. Okay, yeah. If you ask me that, what about the future in networker and Commvault? Yes. For example, the data centers. Okay, data centers, like if you see that Google having data center, Microsoft and AWS. Okay, data center, you many times you heard that cloud technology, cloud in the sense, okay, the something is not in the cloud. The cloud in the sense, the data centers, okay, it means that a physical infrastructure. Okay, for example, Google has a data center in the sense, they having their own setup like servers, also own network. Okay, own resources, they and own databases, they used to maintain. Okay, for example, if I want to start a startup like a e-commerce business, so I need to buy a land, I need to buy a servers, I need to buy a cooling system, and I need to buy resources. Who maintains them? Okay, it will be big cost to me. Okay, 15 years back, this is a scenario. So I used to buy like land, servers and cooling system and all. Okay, but now the scenario is no need to buy all those things. Okay, because the Google and AWS and Azure, they're providing their infrastructure as a service. So we can use their infrastructure by taking by logging into this their Google account and AWS account. Okay, so they will provide us everything. We are going to deploy our our app into their systems. Okay, by taking their service. Okay, and then next, confidential data will never be preferred and on cloud technologies. Yes, confidential means like banking and financial sectors data that is very confidential. So no one needs to share with anyone because the customer transactions, customers details are so much very important. That should not be shared with any other cloud because we can't trust them. We can't trust, because that is why they maintain their own some data centers, and they give to the network and Commvault, like these vendors, to store the backup. Okay, and the next, compliance for the data retention. This is like, see, for example, if there is a SBI bank. Okay, they want to store their customer data since 5 years, it depends upon 10 years. So if they are paying this amount to the cloud technologies for 10 years or 15 years, it will be costing more. That's what this networker and Commvault, what the SBI will say that I want this data to be stored for at least 5 years. So these people will, networker and Commvault vendors will take the data into the tapes and they will store somewhere. Okay, for this the cost is less when compared to this Google Cloud and uh, AWS and GCP. Sorry, Azure. Okay, so that's what the future is there for network and common world as well. Okay, no need to worry about this future. See, forever learning is important. Okay, one second.
This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, I'm sorry. Okay, fine. So forever learning is like, see, if you got a job, for example, so you should learn. You should continue, keep on learning. Okay, don't stop there. Okay, you should be very very dedicated of in learning on learnings. Okay, So no need to give any chance for so if you stop learning, so that means it stops you from the grow up in IT sector. Okay. Okay, we'll see this course cost later. Before that, I need to say one thing. What it is like a networker. Okay, let me explain you. Yeah, I already drawn this diagram, a simple understanding of how a networker backup admin works. Okay, for example, this is the ICICI Bank. Okay, this is, just assume that they're having only two servers in their branch. For example, let's assume that. Okay, for every server, and actually for every server having an important data. Okay, ICICI approaches this TCS company, okay, and so on. So I need a backup for these two systems. Okay, then TCS employee will what employee will do, he will just log in into their two servers. Okay, before that we need some connectivity. Okay, that we'll discuss in later classes. Okay, he will just log in remotely to the these two servers, and he will install networker agent. Okay, networker agent is a package, okay, that we need to install in the this one of the server. Okay, and we already having a networker backup server. Okay, so we'll take the backup. This networker backup server will take the backup of this data into into the disk through the backup server. Okay, it will store this data into the this disk. Okay, if something happened, if these two servers crash, okay, like fire accident, some whatever it may be, then this backup server will do, it will restore this data which is already restored way back. It will restore the entire data into this two servers again. Okay, it will be like, so there is no loss of data. Okay, that is what we are learning, this data management tool. Okay, in simple understanding, I want to say these are two smartphones. Okay, WhatsApp. See, if these two mobile phones need to communicate, then in both the phones we need WhatsApp application. Okay, if not, then we are not able to communicate each other, right? The same way, if we need to take a backup of any server, we need to install the networker agent on the servers. Okay, and also this backup server also having one backup server package. Okay, we'll discuss these things. Then only the connectivity will be there between two servers, and we can take the backup of these two servers. This is the main motto of the what the backup admin will do. This is a simple diagram. Okay, I will discuss in coming classes in depth. Okay, and when it comes to this, see, actually the course duration is 3 months. Okay, and then we will just start with Linux, three classes, so each class having 1 hour class, and then next networking basics. This is also basics. So these are enough, okay, to get a job. We don't want to master it. We don't want to master every topic. Whatever the topics required for the job, we'll discuss those, and we can practice in the AWS. Okay, and then Dell EMC Netwoker live classes plus recording. So actually we have some recording classes as well. So there are some live classes, and there are some recording classes. Okay, both. And almost the classes will be almost 35 classes, and the number of hours is 50 hours for EMC Networker. Sorry. And the next Commvault is also having live classes. Almost 15 classes will be there for Commvault. Okay, yeah, this is the course completely. So if you complete these things, okay, you have a question like, can I do this, can I learn this? Yes, everyone can learn this, everyone can do this, because these are non-coding applications, like non-coding technologies. Okay, finally, the course pay structure. Actually, the course cost is 35,000. Okay, so we'll provide you recording videos, real-time interview questions, talks, and resume creation and support for Naukri profile. We'll create the Naukri profile as well. Okay, we'll give you a end-to-end support for this. Okay, and the course can be paid in two terms. First term is 20,000 and second term is 15,000. Okay, so if you want to really get into the IT job, okay, not like other courses like DevOps, Azure, some other uh, like courses like Oracle, Java, Node.js, okay, and data analyst, because those are the top courses. So that those course, if you do that, you lose your money. Okay, maybe one or two people will get a job. If you all think that I will be that one of two, then you can go and join there. Or else, if I want to get a job into the IT sector as soon as possible, at least I need one job, then go for this course. We have a good future further as well, and we can uh, many openings. But the thing is like here, the employees are not there for these courses. That's what, if you read at least basics, and that too with dedication, okay, and also a bit practice is enough to get this job. If you need any please contact my WhatsApp number so that we can discuss a bit more in the calls. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks a lot.